Hi there. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of flow control in Python. Flow control helps us dictate how a program behaves under different scenarios. Are you ready to explore?
Yes, I'm ready. I've heard terms like if statements and loops before, but I'm not sure how they work.
That's a great start. Let's break it down into four major areas, as shown in this chart. 1. Conditional statements. 2. Transfer statements. 3. Loops, iterative statements. 4. Comprehensions, list, dict, and set. We'll explore these with examples. Let's start with conditional statements. These allow us to execute certain parts of the code only if specific conditions are met. Conditional statements include if-else, if-else, and nested if-else. For example, example 1, basic if statement. Python. Age is equal to 18. If age is equal to 18, print, you are eligible to vote. Now, let's see an if-else example. Example 2, if-else. Python. Age is equal to 16. If age is equal to 18, print, you are eligible to vote. Else, print, you are not eligible to vote yet. Moving on to if-else, example 3, if-else. Python. Marks is equal to 85. If marks is equal to 90, print, grade A. If marks is equal to 75, print, grade B. If marks is equal to 60, print, grade C. Else, print, grade F. And finally, a nested if-else example, example 4, nested if-else. Python. Num is equal to 10. If num is equal to 0, if num is equal to 0, print 0. Else, print, positive number. Else, print, negative number. Transfer statements like break, continue, and pass help us control the flow within loops or conditional blocks. Example 1, break. Python. For I in range 5 if I is equal to 3, break. Print I. Now for continue, example 2, continue. Python. For I in range 5 if I is equal to 3, continue. Print I. And finally, pass, example 3, pass. Python. For I in range 5 if I is equal to 3, pass. Print I. Pass does nothing, but it's useful as a placeholder. Loops, for and while. Now, let's discuss loops. Loops allow us to repeat a block of code multiple times. Python provides for and while loops. Example 1, for loop. Python. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. For fruit in fruits, print fruit. This prints each item in the list one by one. Now a while loop, example 2, while loop. Python. Count is equal to 1. While count happy smiley 5, print count. Count plus is equal to 1. This loop runs until the condition count happy smiley 5 becomes false. Comprehensions, list, dict, and set. Lastly, let's look at comprehensions. They're a concise way to create collections. Example, list comprehension. Python. Squares is equal to x *** to for x in range 5. Print squares. This creates a list of squares from 0 to 4 in one line. Here's a dictionary comprehension. Example, dictionary comprehension. Python. Nums is equal to x *** to for x in range 5. Print nums. This creates a dictionary with numbers as keys and their squares as values. Lastly, a set comprehension. Example, set comprehension. Python. Unique underscore squares is equal to x asterisk asterisk 2 for x in -2 -1 0 1 2. Print unique underscore squares. Sets automatically remove duplicates. That's so handy. Great job today. These concepts are fundamental in Python, and you'll use them in almost every project. Any questions?
No questions for now. Thank you. This was really helpful.
You are welcome. Happy coding.